people. Wait 1 second, you can't see anything. That's because the thing is not on. Let me just post a story going live now. Join us. Join us, link in bio. You guys already know, but hello. So let me just double check if I'm online, because you guys might be wondering why we're doing the stream so early. Because of fucking Taylor Swift. So whenever there's a concert, right? And so whenever there's a concert, I live in around Wembley. I live in Wembley Park. So whenever there's a concert, the net stops working. And currently, because of that, let me just see if I'm online first, because again, net is shit. Twitch. Yeah. So because of that, whenever there's a Taylor Swift concert, they usually goes like my channel. I'm online. Yes. Right, let me just change the name, then we can get on with our development. Today but first of all, welcome to the Vortex. If you don't know who I am, I'm Vedant Jahan. I'm co-founder of the Vortex, and what our idea is, we develop the games, we develop and program the games, but you guys decide, you guys are the deciding factor of how the game should go. Today, and so we program, we design, and you guys decide how you want the games to go as a whole. So today is game day, design day 12, and let's get to it. So first, let me open Unity. Today we are mostly gonna focus on level building, level 1 building, phase 2. You guys see the crouch mechanic, right? Plus I'm gonna try to keep the stream for as long as possible until the net is working. Currently it is, but you never know because of fucking Taylor Swift. First of all, I hate her music as a whole, right? Their music is just about, it's a shit music taste. And second of all I hate her fans more, because all of them has to argue that she's the goat, but she's not. And plus, they always argue as well that she's bigger than Michael Jackson, which is not true. No one is bigger than Michael Jackson. Nobody can come close to Michael Jackson. So can you guys see? Wait, let me share. Yeah, you guys can see. Alright. So this is what the game looks like for now. You see the welcome home sign. I'm gonna make this a bit lighter. We have eagle vision working as well, which is supposed to highlight the important bits around the game. And F to pick up the flashlight. We have the flashlight. So, and that's the one we change it to. So, and that's the current level 2, level 1 phase 2. It's kind of like a, what do you say? So, and that says crouching makes a great exercise, which crouch is control, so you can go down when you can crouch. So when you crouch, you go past through it. Alright, so that's a level 1 phase 2. Currently we're going to develop on level 1 phase 2, and I probably might try to add a fade mechanic in. Like, when you change the level, we can add a fade mechanic, but I want to start level 2 phase 1 today. Let's see if I can. Let's see if we can, because we are here. Again, thank you guys for joining. I'm Vedant Jahan. So, first of all, and I hope you guys like the recent reels, because we are trying to get it more funny out there, because funny is what gets content going. So we are trying to add, we're probably gonna see. Alright, what is this supposed to include? This is probably supposed to include some trees. So, models. I should have some trees. I do have some trees. So we should add like trees, but we need to change the tree inspector. Surrender pipeline. This is not supposed to be red. Oh wait, fuck. I remember now. Because of the material, she's gonna be red. But if I remove this one, yeah, I need to make a new material. So what, to make a new material, you will create material, then you have a new material. Fantasy. So fantasy 1, I'm just gonna name it fantasy 1. So fantasy 1 will make it like pinkish, because that seems to be the theme that's falling around here. See, kind of like trees around. But to make it more better, what we can do is we get a thing like we get a matte texture in, but again we get a matte texture in, and but I'm gonna make it not that big, and I'll duplicate that. That's what goes in. Right, and I can change the color of it to, where is it? Not that. Not that one. Change the color of it to like a pinkish. That should do it. And emission, again, pinkish. So if I have that, nah, I don't like it that much. So we are obviously gonna. So first of all, we got the level 1 phase 1 looks so good, but we need to work on the level 2 obviously. And so we got the metallic kind going in. Nah, don't need that. We're gonna get back to the one we were using before. Let's get that material, and we kind of will add a bit of emission. That kind, not that. Let's make it a bit darker. Yeah, like that. Not that, and go on the pink side. Go dark. That's good. Yeah. So obviously trees, make them a bit smaller. What else can we add? I want to see if I have more stuff around. I should have more stuff lying around. Let's see. Again, I need that. So what should we do? Let's see. Going back to this. What else do we have? Environment wise, we got some this. Again, materials gonna change in that. We got some. No animals needed. Not that. 3 house. I can have some houses. Right. That's a railway station. But if I make it this small, it's a house. What else can we add? Wooden houses. Make everything pink. Make that a bit smaller. I don't want it that big. What else can we add? Models. Waters. What do you mean by different? There's different kinds of waters. I've got the houses in plants. Don't need that. Stones. Sticks and stones may break my bones. Plants. I already got grass. Not that. Right. You can add some of it. This one. So I got the grass in. First of all, let's change the color on that. Materials. That I have some tree. I put it on trees, right? Not that trees. I forgot where trees I put it. My material. Which trees do I put the materials in? What? Where's my material gone? Pickups, trees, autumn trees. No, I'll get it from this one. Fantasy one. Ah, fuck you. Unity just crashed. Great. Why did you do that to me? Right, just waiting for it to load back open. And there we go. And I don't have anything that I added. Great! See, I'm so happy. Alright, let's make it more lively. What can make a fantasy world more lively? What's the real fantasy about? Like, it can have teddy bears. Obviously, and make some more bits in. And I'm gonna add the flame right there. Flame also goes there. And trigger wherever you are. You put what? Yeah, there we go. Right. And I'm gonna add another wall there. So it kinda doesn't. And I'm gonna get another text to duplicate that. Get that here. and that's gonna read told you crouching makes great exercise. Yeah, I wrote the spelling of exercise. Yeah. Only crouching makes a great exercise, right? Right, what do we need to add? Come on, think, guys. I have one beer. Hello, one beer, whoever you are. Nice to meet you. Alright, let's get back to it. What are we adding? We are adding some grass first of all. Because grass is a very important part of fantasy, because which so let's add some grass in. And we'll start the grass from here. I mean, I think we should just add it all the way in. Focus. That's some grass in, and first of all let's change the color of the grass. Yeah, so make it a bit more grassy. But I will obviously keep it pink. So whatever this is, I can add it on there. Oh, grass looks good that way. Yeah. Duplicate. So now we have this, right? Now we can just duplicate it. Now we have all of this, right? From grass 3 to grass 3.8. There. Duplicate that. And 9 till 17. And goes here. Then grab that till there, duplicate that, there, duplicate that there, duplicate that there, duplicate that there, duplicate that, there. We have grasses, and then now we got a whole till 107. So that's too many grass. Now we're gonna get that all back in the level, because if we don't, then it's gonna make a mess. Right? And we don't want a mess, do we? Wait, on. If they don't have box color, that's fine. So now we have a grass in the game. Rated at the base map here, the first person controller. I want you to start there, my guy. And now we have the grass in, right? No, yeah, that's right. Now we have the grass in, let's add some trees if we can. Textures, material, models, trees. Some nice little trees. Use the same material as the grass. Some nice little trees in the thing. Did you guys remember my freestyle from last thing? I don't think we're gonna work on any mechanics, to be honest, today. We're gonna focus on level building and try to get the level 2 phase 1 in. But we're gonna make it to level 2 phase 1, but we're not gonna properly have it, if you get what I mean. So the grass is in. Obviously, if you have everything, you need to add it to the level, because other than that, you're gonna create a big ass mess while you do it. So there's some trees in. What else can we add? Stones? I don't know what kind of stones would she like. No stones, but where is it? I can't see a stone. I'll have to make it bigger. So you get the same material. So you have to look it from a little girl's imagination, right? She doesn't have that much perception of colors and everything, so she likes the color purple. So I'm thinking level 1, I mean the reality is gonna be like red and black theme, and fantasies will be like purple theme, if you get what I mean. Sounds good enough. Some stones, sticks and stones may break my bones. What else can we add? Plants? No. Vehicles? No. If I add a house, I'll have to try to get her in there, but no. Right now, no. Can we add some houses? But again, same material as that. But why do I need horses though? I don't want horses. What else can we add, people? I don't want to add any buildings currently. I don't know what will be the point of building. Environment wise, we can add some poles around the thing. Oh wait, I have an idea. Location wise, environment. Oh, trees. Where did we go? Where was it? Not there. Come on. Yeah, there. So you see this. I'm gonna add it here. Obviously get that pink, so get the materials in. Ah, I have that, right? Duplicate that. Okay. Fuck's sake. Why can't I change? I was gonna say. La 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 la. And change the rotation to 90. Not that one. 0. Rotation will be 180 then. Yeah. La 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 la. Decrease the scale like that, bitch. Why is it happening that? Oh wait, I think there's a thing for that. Movement is stuck. Pivots unity. Objects unity stuck with stuck. How do you say? Isn't constant. Stuff fixed. No. Yes. Pivot. It's stuck in fixed. Move. You don't need to do that. That. So what I'm trying to do is get it in. That's what she said. 7, that's too far. 6, that's too far. 5, still too far. 4. Perfect. I'll get it a bit there. And first, let's get it. Let's make it 0.7. 8. 7.5. Yeah, perfect. So that's one there. Let's increase the scale a little. Let's do it. 6, 9. Kind of works. Yeah, that works. And duplicate that. Get one more in. Should be worked on the vibration. So 8, 9, 8, 5. Perfect. Right. Duplicate that. Duplicate that. Get one in here. And rotation. Make it go like not that way. That. Perfect. Wait, not that shit. That needs to be a bit up. 6 point. 8, 6, 7. Yeah, that's perfect. Then duplicate that again and get that here. Five, 6, 5, 3, 5, 4. Yeah. So she comes in, she sees la 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 la. I don't want to make it a default, I just want to keep it default so you can't see it past. And layer 1 my UI is default. You might be wrong, but what's the harm in trying? Alright, let's see how the game plays out first. Yeah, already too much in. So, oh, she's in fantasy. Oh, that's a tree. I don't know what that is. La, 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 la. Crouching makes a great exercise. That's weird. What does crouching do? Okay, crouching is a bit too low. Oh, what's this? This is the wall. Oh damn, let me crouch here. Told you crouching makes a great exercise. Shit. Yeah, I don't wanna go there yet. It's too... crouching is too low. What the fuck? Level goes down. Lamppost color will go. How do I make it not come through everything? Yeah, so it shouldn't show past this thing. So, like, if you get what I mean. Running layer mask, layer 7. I don't want them to see past this though, that's the thing. First one, let's change the layer, keep it back to 0. Usually it's gonna be anchor. That anchor is the problem, but you don't. I don't wanna make it. Alright, give me 1 second. Making text not show layer unity. It's fine if it shows them. It doesn't really matter, but you know, it feels weird. I mean, to be fair, she won't even be focusing on that. She'll probably try to get out of there, but oh, I'm here. What's happening? Watching makes a great exercise. La 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 la. Change that, but obviously work on this. Yeah. Right. It works. Change the position, like it's too big, so it's causing out. Add that in here. What else is there to add? I'm thinking. Alright, let's try to go on again. Oh, where am I? I'm here. I like it. La 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 la. Crouching makes a great exercise. La 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 la. Then she crouches, you can crouch. I will introduce the crouch mechanic here as well. Then crouching, told you crouching makes a great exercise. Then she gets back here. Good. Right. Let's try. So that's, I think level 1 phase 2 is done. I mean, I don't want to add too much in it because again, it's just the start. But if you guys want to start level 1 phase, level 2 phase 1. Now, either we can do two things. Either we can work on the enemies. I mean, the enemies are done. We just need to add a health bar to the player. So if enemy catches you, then you fail, basically. But that's again nothing to worry about. To be honest, it's not that big of a deal. Right? It's nothing. It's not a thing that's priority. To be honest. We can add it if you guys want, or we can add a fade mechanic. When the level changes, they fade. So, what do you guys think we should do? Let me see. Anybody? So let me think. First, we have three options. Either we had a fade thing right now, either we work on level 2 phase 1, or either we work on the enemy. Enemy is literally nothing. It's literally adding a box collider to it. It's literally adding a health bar to it. That's it, because you can't kill the enemies originally, so it's not going to be that. Let's work on level 2 phase 1. Yeah, I think level 1, level 2 phase 1 is done. Yay guys, we finally start building on the levels. Alright, world 1, duplicate that level, and which one is the duplicate one? Alright, and let's save this level for now. And let's go back to world 1, right? You're gonna name it, first of all, first I wanna get to the player, I can't see it. Alright, get back here. Remove that for now because we want to see where we actually are. And I'm gonna name it rename. Why? Okay, where's the rename thing? Wait, okay. Level 2 phase 1. Yeah. Remove that. Alright. Where would she start? Where would she go? Obviously the map's gonna change on level 1, so delete that, delete that, delete that, delete that, delete that, delete that, delete that. I need one platform at least. So she's back to her reality, right? She's finally out of that place. So let's see, level 2 originally is like going to a brickery area. So we are obviously going to be basing that level 2 on old C-pod that we downloaded from the first thing, right? So what I like to do in the level building, I like to make a map usually of how should the level go. But it's gonna be plant, delete that. I'm gonna keep one plant thing in, but that's delete that, delete that, delete that, delete, fuck off, delete that, no wait, don't delete that, that's gonna be another trigger, and delete that, because we don't have welcome home anymore. Let's start working on it. Right, let's see. She's back in her reality again, right? She's trying to escape the kidnapper, so I'm thinking let's make this a more open area. So let's get rid of the walls. And for now I'm gonna change the sky series to sunset because I wanna be able to actually see where I am. Nice, okay. So let's get her to a more open area. So first of all, she's stuck in there, right? Second, we can get her into a more open area. So I'll keep one wall thing in so I can make use the walls again. Oh shit, that's a whole fucking thing. Alright, so I'm thinking one big platform rather than small platforms because it's a more open area. We can add houses in there. I can make an interior of a house so she can go inside. Okay, she has to get to the house, right? House basically is kind of a safety, I can say. So one big platform, right? She starts from here. She goes like, where am I? Where am I? Then she sees a house. Where should the house be? Obviously this one is gonna contain more enemies. So first things first, let's add a map. Let's add a house. We have a house. We already have houses, so let's build a wooden built house and we add it here. Let's see. She has to work with the end. She has to get rid of the enemies, so she either has to wait for them to get out. The enemies are based on a map mesh, right? That's the thing is there's too many things. So I can't focus if there's too many things. So that's a house. It's obviously gonna be red theme because again it's a reality. Wait, let me delete that shit. So when that so when I have this I can actually move it without any problem. Alright, let's make a map. Starts from here. Enemy will probably be around here. There will be a couple though. So again, they're based on that much. So so her target is this fire, right? So that and that comes probably around the house. So she has to get to the house. Obviously she's gonna use eagle vision for her to see. What is that? I'm trying to see how to make. This is kind of irritating. Trying to get a kind of a sense in direction, and I wanted to get to the house, but again, it's kind of will be more open, but not that open, if you get what I mean. So saying that, oh, she's actually getting out, but and house is gonna be obviously layered yellow. Wait, pick up actually, sorry. So she can see where the house is. And the tree base is gonna be right in front of the house, like here. And obviously the plants, that there will be plants, there's obviously has to be plants. Plants are a really big part of the theme. Alright, she goes to the field and oh wow, she sees what? There's enemy. I wanted to. Oh wait, I can add a big key in here as well for the house. Oh wait, that's already. Wait, this house is just a. The house doesn't have anything inside there, right? So does it have a door? If it has a door, then I can make it basically go like. No, house doesn't have a door. Okay. What about not this one? What about this one? Does this have a door? Oh, I might need to get a house in. So if the house has a door, right, I can be like, oh, you need to get this from inside, but you will need to collect a key, which is around the enemy. So you need to find the key. That's basically, I think, I'm gonna be at level phase 1, level 2, phase 1. Oh, fuck my back. House. That's good enough. Once you're inside the house. Oh wait. Okay. Wait, let me get that in. So I use this. I will basically have two things. Okay. I will add two things. This is the house, right? I will add this. So you go into fantasy level. You find the keys in the fantasy level. Then you get inside the house in fantasy. That's going to be level 2 phase, level 1, level 2 phase 2, phase 3. Obviously it's going to be a different level, but again, phase level 1. I got it. That's going to be the level 2, but I'm probably not going to be able to complete it today, but that's going to be the idea of level 2 phase, level 2 basically. Right. So this level is going to be small, not that big. Getting the enemies in, I'm gonna add this to my house thing. Download input. Alright, that's it. Where is it? Is it done? Not that I don't know why I have that. Delete that. There. That's the house. Obviously it's gonna be very dumb. And it's not as well built as I thought it would be. Change the universal and define point simple lit, and that is the simplets. But obviously the house is gonna be based on the red and black theme anyway, so doesn't really matter. Oh, I like that better more than that. Let me try adding it there. Why are you not letting me add the color? And comes on this, comes on that, comes on that, and comes on there. See, nice and easy. Now whatever color we have, like say here, I make it go a bit red, kind of like that, and again same thing here. Make it go a bit red, kind of like that. Yeah, that looks good. That looks very good. So that house is gonna be pick up. And delete that. That house is gonna be pick up, so fire break, break this. And every plant from there to there will go in the level, obviously. Go down, break, flame particles go there. Wait, where's the door for this? There has to be a door, right? Where's the door? Oh, there. So, rotate it actually. Fantasy house. Like that. And the break flame particles go here. Okay. Yeah, kind of like that. And there. Oh wait, why is every plant in the air? Damn, I didn't even notice. So level every, so like every plant from there to there. Then it goes a bit down like here. Yeah, that works. Break is gonna be layered pickup, right? And obviously the trees, then the enemies comes around here, right? We'll keep working on it, guys, until we get. Oh, these are in the air as well. Damn. Right. She comes around here. She sees an open field of that, but after that she goes like, oh wait. Ah, fuck's sake, fuck you. We just crashed again. Great. Let me open it again. I'm probably gonna end the stream soon, to be honest, guys, because again, net is shit because of the Taylor Swift thing. So I need to upload it as well. But that's pretty much it. But we got the idea for level 1, level 2, phase 1. And we go to level there. I can't see shit. Right. Enemy will keep me walking around here. I don't need this platform to be very big, so I'm just gonna make it small, not that small. Bit more smaller, like that. Obviously the house, she needs to see which house, where we're going. Obviously the houses are gonna duplicate as well, so let's get some houses in. The theme will change obviously because again it's an environment. Don't need that, and I'm gonna make the FPS flashlight permanent, so get some more houses and get some walls in. Right, let's get that, copy that, copy that, copy that as well, and duplicate that, and we have a level, guys. Kind of. Still, Right. Get the plants worked up as well. So plants 1 to 107. First, let's save the level. Plant. Save, and fuck you. I think I saved it before it crashed, but fuck Taylor. Actually, fuck Taylor Swift.